Hi there, I'm Angella Conrard, Certified Reverse Mortgage Professional. Today we're going to talk about using a power of attorney in a reverse mortgage refinance transaction. First things first, to use a power of attorney for a reverse mortgage transaction, the borrower cannot have the legal capacity to enter into legally binding agreements. But not just any power of attorney will do. It must be a durable power of attorney, which means it remains valid even after the borrower becomes incapacitated. This ensures the borrower's interests are protected. Now, here's a crucial point. All the requirements outlined in the power of attorney document must be met. For instance, if the document mandates two doctor's letters to determine the competency of the borrower, we must provide those. And speaking of doctor's letters, if the power of attorney is used for the reverse mortgage transaction, you'll need to provide a doctor's letter certifying that the borrower can no longer handle their financial affairs, and the letter must include the onset of the borrower's incapacity. Now, here's something else you should know. The person acting as the power of attorney must attend the counseling session on behalf of the borrower. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and understands the implications of the reverse mortgage refinance. And one last thing to remember, a power of attorney cannot be used for reverse mortgage purchase transaction. It's specifically for refinancing. So there you have it. When it comes to reverse mortgage refinance transactions, using a power of attorney is a careful process, and it's all about ensuring the borrower's best interests. If you have a reverse mortgage transaction, call me, Angella Conrard, Certified Reverse Mortgage Professional, or visit my website, angellaconrard.com, and order a free info pack. Please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Have a great day.